Solar farms on the Isle of Wight. Gaining energy from the sun isn't just about being environmentally friendly, as each nation that can provide its own power improves energy security. Okay, now the science bit. When light hits the top layer of a solar panel, electrons are released and pass through a one-way membrane called the barrier junction. The electrons continue to build up on the lower layer until they spill over and enter a cable, producing current which can then power any electrical device. The electrons then return to the top layer to start the cycle over again. Systems that produce more than 4 kilowatts are often described as solar farms. Perhaps all new house builds should have some solar panels as a compulsory requirement, which would enable all internal lights then to operate from just one panel and maybe a battery or two. As of 2022, there are 9 major solar farms on the island. For security, these solar panels are largely hidden from view by hedgerows or woodland. If you wish to get a sneaky close-up view of one, a quick search using Google Maps will show their positions. The best views by far are from the air. Some say that such farms reduce food production, but sites are chosen on fields where the agriculture is of poor quality or where farm animals can still roam and feed on the grass. With over 42,000 panels, the largest site so far is at Hill Farm near St Helens. At peak times, it can produce 6% of the entire island's power demand. If anyone wishes to see such a farm, this is probably the finest example on the Isle of Wight. If you enjoyed the tour, click the like button and subscribe to be automatically informed of future videos, news and publications.